Chases. This area is ideal for quickly and easily calling up various light images, for example at parties or concerts. In the upper part of this view, fields are available in which chases can be saved. A chase is a running light that is a sequence of several steps. To create a chase, click on Add Cue in the top right-hand corner and then on one of the large plus symbols. This saves the current setting of all fixtures as the first step of this chase. To add another step, change everything in the settings as desired and then click on Add Cue again in the chase interface and then on the chase to which the step is to be added. You can continue in this way and add as many steps as you like. If you want to add steps in the middle of a chase rather than at the end, use the Edit Chase button. To do this, first press Edit Chase, then press the chase you want to change. A menu appears on the left-hand side. At the top, under the pencil symbol, you can name the chase. Please note, if you only want to change the name, enter the new name, but do not press Save afterwards, but simply exit the menu again via Edit Chase in the top right-hand corner. In the menu that opens with Edit Chase, there are also the following functions. Add. Under Add, you will find the same function as under Add Cue on the right. Further steps can therefore be created here. It is important to press Save again after Add Cue in order to add the new step. Insert Step. This function can be used to add a step in the middle of a chase. To do this, set your devices to the setting that is to form the new step. Then go back to the chase interface and click on Edit Chase. Select the step on the left before which the new step is to be inserted, and then press Save. Overwrite Step. This function can be used to overwrite a single step with new settings. To do this, set the spotlights as desired and then select the step you want to overwrite in the Edit Chase interface. Edit Copy Step. This function can be used to copy a step. To do this, select Edit Copy Step and use the arrow keys to select the step you want to copy. Then press Save. All settings are now copied. To insert the settings of this step into a new step, use Add Cue or Insert Cue as described above. Delete Step. This function can be used to delete individual steps from the chase. To do this, select the step, press Delete, and then save. Copy Chase. This function can be used to take the complete chase with all steps and save it to another memory location. To do this, first select Copy Chase, and then click on one of the large chase fields with the plus sign. The selected field then pulsates orange. If you now click on Save, the new chase is saved. Delete Chase. This function deletes the entire chase. To avoid using this function by mistake, you must confirm the deletion with Save, and then again with OK. The Sort Chase button can be found on the right-hand side. If you activate this, you can change the order of the chases using drag and drop. To do this, hold down the individual chase for a little longer, and then move it to another memory location. At the bottom of this view are the settings with which the chases run. The number on the far left indicates the speed at which the chase runs. You can enter an interval in seconds by clicking in this field. This interval determines the duration of the chase. Next to it is the tap button. This can also be used to influence the speed of the chase. By tapping the button twice, you determine the duration from one step to the next. So if you tap this button twice in time, with the music, the chase will run at the specified beat. The small beat display flashes in the beat that Light Captain recognizes from the music. The music button switches on the music control. The chase then runs to the beat of the music. The tablet may ask for permission to use the built-in microphone once. After confirming, you must then select the music control again. The Adjust button regulates the sensitivity of the music control. The further the slider is moved to the right, the more sensitive the music control reacts. In this view, you can also set the frequency range of the music to which the light control should react. In this way, you can customize the music control. The Freeze button freezes the current DMX values. The light pauses in the current setting until the freeze function is cancelled again. The Mode button basically sets the way in which the chases are to run. If it is set to mix, several chases can be selected and run simultaneously. In this way, you can run different chases in parallel and combine them with each other. This function can also be used to put together shows later on. If different chases output different values for the same DMX channel, the higher value always prevails. In single mode, only one chase can be selected and run at a time. Once the chase has ended, it starts again from the beginning. In follow mode, the selected chases run one after the other. The sequence corresponds to the order in which the chases were selected. The active chase pulses orange. Once all the chases have run through, they start again from the beginning. The X-Fade control, which is located on the far right, creates a smooth transition between the color settings of the individual steps in the chases. For example, if one step is completely red and the next completely green, the light does not switch hard from red to green, but fades over with mixed colors. At the bottom of this view are the flash cues. Short-term effects, such as fog, a strobe, or a blinder effect, can be created here. To do this, you make the settings manually, and then save them by clicking Add Cue and pressing the desired flash cue button. A flash cue is only active for as long as the button is held down. Flash cues are dominant over chases. If the DMX values of chases and flash cues contradict each other, the flash cue prevails. There is an exception if the value 0 is stored in the flash cue. In this case, the value in the chase is dominant. In practice, this means that if I only want to trigger a strobe mode for my selected spotlights with the flash cue, but the spotlights are otherwise to continue the current chase, I have to set all other values of the spotlights, such as colors or movement, to 0 when programming the flash cue. Only the shutter value may be higher than 0. In this way, the flash cue only overwrites the shutter value, and all other functions continue to execute what is stored in the chase. If, for example, you want to switch off all colors with a flash cue and only let white light up, set the value for all other colors to 1 instead of 0. This very low value ensures that the spotlights are lowered to such an extent that no visible light is emitted. The flash cue then overwrites the values specified in the chase.